One of the most interesting things about Ifa has to be its timelessness, the fact that it is forever relevant to any season, any period. Imagine you are a remote worker, for example, and you can find an Ifa verse written centuries ago, yet speaks directly to your situation. Here is one such Ifa verse. Nínú òdì méjì, Ifá yẹn sọ wípé ilé ni mo jókòó sí ni gbogbo ire ń wọ́ tuurutu wá bá mi. Ọ̀dẹ̀dẹ̀ ni mo jókòó kà ni gbogbo ọrọ̀ wọ́ tuurutu wá bá mi. Mo jókòó àìnàró, mo ríre ọrọ̀ tó pọ̀ rẹ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀. Adíá fún òdí tí ń ṣawó lọ sóde òkò. Ó jókòó fẹ̀yìntì igi àkókò. Ire gbogbo ń dà wá o, igìrìrì, igìrìrì. Ibi afiyọ̀ sí ni yọ̀ ṣomi sí. Ire gbogbo dà wá o, igìrìrì, igìrìrì. Òkè kì í yẹ̀ tí fi gbẹbọ tirẹ̀. Ire gbogbo dà wá, igìrìrì, igìrìrì. Now, this verse very clearly is saying that one can attract financial blessings to oneself even without stepping out of their house. Ilé mi ni mo jókòó sí, ni gbogbo ire wọ́ tuurutu wá bá mi. Imagine saying this to your ori every morning as a person who works from home. Ọ̀dẹ̀dẹ̀ mi ni mo jókòó kà, ni gbogbo ọrọ̀ wọ́ tuurutu wá bá mi. I can stay in my personage and attract great wealth. This is why I teach Ifa so passionately, because it hurts me to see many people primarily consider Ifa as a religious text. When you do that, when you teach Ifa primarily as a religious text, the implication of that is that many other people who are of different religious persuasion will not be able to benefit from it. And that is very understandable. That is the danger of portraying Ifa as some religious, mystical body of knowledge. Because Ifa is not that. Ifa contains religion, yes, but it is way broader than that. I want everyone to see Ifa as simply an encyclopedia of Yoruba knowledge. In Ifa is contained everything that the Yoruba know about life and existence. What Ifa teaches are basic life principles, wise knowledges available for anybody, whether Christian, Muslim, agnostic, atheist, and of course, a follower of the Orisha, to learn from. In his book, Beyond Aesthetics, Wole Soyinka says, go to the Orisha, learn from the Orisha, and be wise. Wàá ṣeré.